Hi folks, it's Memorial Day 2019 and we're going to do a little bashing video. I wanted to share one of my creations with you. I've actually built this back when they released the Blackfoot in 2015, I believe. Anyway, my nephew is a giant fan of the old show Emergency, so I apologize about the sound. So what I wound up doing was I made a emergency themed truck. It's an all stock Blackfoot, painted with Krylon red, the rims, the stickers, the Los Angeles County 51 stickers I had made at a local sign shop, East End Signs of Mastic. It's an all stock truck, and I wired up the lights. I got the light bar off of eBay out of China. They have a couple of flash patterns, and it runs off like AAA batteries. And I said this is like one of my creations. It's an all stock Blackfoot from 2015. All right.